All right, the horses are lined up, ready to go. So this is what awaits them. We have finally gotten all of the wood with nails out of the field. 99% of the metal, and you can see they got this other grass down to the nubbins. Hey Cash, you ain't brushed out, buddy. Yeah, they're losing all their... Hey Bucko. Hey buddy. Okay. Ready to go? Are you ready? Come on, Cash. You gotta come this way, buddy. You gotta come this way, buddy. Grass. Noms. I've been in that front field since December when it happened, and this grass has just been growing. And now I finally get to use it. I fixed all the fences, put up some temporary fences. So now everybody's happy. You guys happy now? Lots of grass? Yes, we're happy now. Looking pretty skinny. I've been trying to feed them, but man, now they fell out. All right, well that's it. Just want to show you the happy horses getting some grass. Now I might shut the front field and let that one recover, although they somehow pinned the gate into the fence. Like someone rammed it at full speed and just, or hell, backed into it. They're heavy enough. And you can see it's just lush. Lush. Good to go. So we still have all of our trees down. Some of them are actually coming back. That one made it over there. But ooh. Alright, well that's it. Easy girl. It's okay. Oh yeah. And we got some goats. Meh. 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 Hi goats. Hi goats. What are you doing? Meh. Oh yeah, you can't get through that one? Are you stuck? Yeah, right. I don't believe you. I don't believe you're stuck. Let's see. Come on. Come on, little goats. Hi. Hi. I don't think we named these guys yet. Julie thinks Ebony and Ivory, but I think that's a little on the nose. What do you think? Alright, well, there's a little farm update. Everything's getting cleaned up. Still don't have power to our shop there, but we did rebuild it. Rebuilt the shop. I fixed the. You can kind of see halfway down there on the right. There's a bunch of big holes in the ceiling. Oh, and we enclosed the arena here. So we got our roof replaced, and we used all the old roof to enclose the stalls. So it's a lot nicer when it rains and when it's windy. It's not windy or rainy in here very much. So very, very nice. Hot goats. All right, well that's it. Everybody's happy. Good to go. Lots of chickens. They're on the other side of the property. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment, like, subscribe. Way to help us out with the comments, share, notifications, all the goodies. All right, thanks for watching.